Here's how to add a click to call button in Unbounce. In your Unbounce account, choose one of the landing pages you've created and click Edit. This will open the classic Unbounce builder where you can customize your page elements. On the left side of the builder, look for the Page Widgets panel. Find the button widget, then click and drag it onto your landing page. Place it wherever you want the click to call button to appear. Once you drop the button, the Element Properties panel will appear on the right side of the builder. Here you can adjust the size and position, effects like hover or animations, the button label, the text displayed on your button, and appearance, color, font, borders, etc. The important part is under Click Action, change the setting from Go to URL to call a number. In the field that appears, type the phone number you want users to call. Once you've set up the button and added your phone number, click Save, then republish your landing page. Visit your live landing page and look for your new button. When a visitor clicks the button on a mobile device or a desktop with a calling app, a prompt will appear asking to open a calling app or confirm the call, and that's it. Your click to call button is now live and ready to help visitors contact you directly. And that's how to add a click to call button in Unbounce.